Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we're diving into a soul-warming classic pho, the famous Vietnamese noodle soup. It's going to be easy, quick, and totally delicious. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. But before we get started, if you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps keep me going and lets me bring more yummy recipes your way. Thanks so much. Ingredients you're gonna need for today: half sweet onion, 3 stalks of green onion, some cilantro leaves, 10 grams of ginger root, 1 bean sprout, fresh sawtooth herb, basil leaf, 1 lime or lemon, 1 package of rice noodles, it's called Banh Pho, and Hoison sauce. For a delicious broth infusion, you need 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 2 black cardamom pods, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Did you know pho dates back to the early 20th century in northern Vietnam? It became popular after the French introduced beef to the Vietnamese diet during colonization, and voila, pho was born. First, soak your rice noodles in warm water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This softens them and helps them cook faster later. Peel and slice the ginger root thinly. This will give our broth deep, rich aroma. Next, slice half a sweet onion. We'll use this as garnish for later. Chop the white parts of the green onion. These go into the broth for a flavor boost. Finally, chop the green parts and your cilantro for toppings for the soup. In a small pot, gently toast the black cardamom pods over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat and add a cinnamon, star anise, cloves, fennel seeds, coriander seeds. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Be quick. If they burn, they'll taste bitter. Once aromatic, transfer the spices into a tea bag or spice diffuser. Star anise, a key ingredient in pho, is actually not related to anise seeds. It comes from a tree and has natural antibacterial properties. In a big pot, add 3 to 4 liters of chicken broth or beef broth. I'm using chicken broth today. If you want to make it from scratch, check out my broth video. Link is in the description. Now add in ginger slices, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken powder, 12 grams of rock sugar, or 1 tablespoon of regular sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and add the bag of spices. Bring it all to a gentle boil and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors can infuse. While the broth simmers, drain your noodles. Slice beef meatballs however you like it. For fresh beef slices, freeze the meat for 2 to 3 hours first. This makes it easier to cut thin slices. Always cut against the grain to avoid chewy meat. In another pot, boil water. Place your noodles in a strainer and dip them in the hot water until soft, about 2 minutes. Squish a noodle between your fingers. If it breaks apart easily, it's done. Transfer softened noodles to a bowl. Toss in the beef slices. Add sweet onion slices, green onion, and herbs. You can add chicken if you wish. A store-bought pre-cooked rotisserie chicken is a delicious option. Add the meatballs. Gently ladle in the boiling hot broth. It will cook the beef slices on the spot. Pho is actually eaten for breakfast in Vietnam. Yep, it's their version of a warm, comforting morning pick-me-up. Add some bean sprouts. And don't forget the sauces. Mix some Hoison sauce and Siracha hot sauce in a small bowl for dipping the meat. Trust me, Hoison sauce is a game changer with pho. And there you have it, a warm, delicious bowl of pho. It's comforting, flavorful, and way better than takeout. All from your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your foodie friends. Got questions or your own twist on pho? Drop a comment below. I love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep that good appetite and you won't be disappointed. Bye for now.